Today, we leave home. Not with fear, but with honor. My blood. My little lion.
If I fall,
May my name echo for millennia.
Sparta does not fear death. Death fears Sparta.
We are living blades, forged in stone. Even the earth senses the blood to come. The thunder we carry comes not from the sky, but from within. They are coming, and we are ready.
It is now. Where we die or become eternal. Now there is only steel. Death stares at me, and I smile back. Every strike is destiny. Every step, legacy.
We lost. But to die like this is to live forever.